Are you confused about whether to choose Apple or Android? You're not alone. It's a common dilemma, a digital age conundrum of sorts. With both platforms offering an impressive array of features, it's no wonder that many find themselves on the fence. From sleek design to user-friendly interfaces, from app availability to security concerns, the battle between these tech giants is fierce and unending. In this video, we're going to delve into the pros and cons of both Apple and Android phones to help you make an informed decision. First, let's tackle the pros of choosing an Apple smartphone. Apple devices are renowned for their user-friendly interfaces. They are designed to be simple, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for those who may not be tech-savvy. This means you can spend less time figuring out how to use your phone and more time enjoying it. Apple is also committed to providing consistent updates. This ensures your device is always equipped with the latest features and improvements, keeping your smartphone experience fresh and exciting. But perhaps the most significant advantage of Apple smartphones is their robust security measures. Apple takes privacy seriously. They have built-in encryption, app permissions, and a host of other security features designed to protect your personal data from prying eyes. So, whether you're a tech novice seeking simplicity or a privacy-conscious user demanding tight security, Apple has you covered. No doubt, Apple's simplicity and security are quite appealing, but what about Android? Now, let's switch gears and discuss the advantages of using an Android smartphone. Android devices offer a degree of versatility that's hard to beat. This platform is open source, meaning developers from all around the globe contribute to its development and innovation. This results in a wide variety of apps, many of which are free to download. The customization options available on Android are virtually limitless. Want to change your keyboard? No problem. Fancy a new launcher? You've got it. Android lets you tweak and personalize your device to your heart's content. Moreover, the Android market is flooded with a plethora of models. From budget-friendly options to high-end luxury devices, there's an Android phone to suit every pocket. You're not just buying a phone, you're choosing an experience tailored to your needs and budget. Android's flexibility and variety are certainly compelling, but every rose has its thorns. While both Apple and Android have their perks, it's important to consider their drawbacks as well. Let's start with Apple. While the brand is known for its sleek design and seamless ecosystem, it's not without its downsides. For one, Apple's lack of customization can be a deal breaker for many. Unlike Android, Apple does not allow you to tweak the user interface to your liking. You're pretty much stuck with what Apple gives you. Secondly, Apple's products often come with a hefty price tag. For some, the cost of an iPhone or iPad can be a significant investment, pushing them to consider more budget-friendly alternatives. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Android. While Android is praised for its flexibility and wide range of devices, it has its share of issues as well. One of the biggest complaints about Android is its fragmented system updates. Unlike Apple, which delivers updates simultaneously to all its devices, Android's updates are often delayed depending on the manufacturer and carrier. This means your device may not always have the latest features or security patches. Additionally, the build quality of Android devices can vary greatly. While there are high-end Android phones with excellent build quality, there are also plenty of cheaper models with less impressive specs. As you can see, both Apple and Android have their own sets of challenges. So, Apple or Android? The decision ultimately comes down to your personal needs and preferences. We've covered a lot of ground today discussing the merits and drawbacks of both Apple and Android devices. We delved into the sleek design and seamless ecosystem of Apple, and the customizable nature and affordability of Android. Yet we also acknowledged the constraints. Apple's closed ecosystem can feel restrictive, and Android's fragmentation may lead to inconsistent user experiences. Every coin has two sides, and so does your choice between Apple and Android. Whether you value aesthetics and a unified ecosystem, or prioritize flexibility and cost-effectiveness, the decision is ultimately in your hands. It's all about what you need from your phone. Is it for business, leisure, or a mix of both? Do you need top-notch security, or do you want a playground of apps to explore? Remember, the best phone for you is the one that fits your lifestyle and meets your needs. Happy choosing.